It's on.
Take one.
Go.
And so when you have a live edge portion that has a saw cut in it, you don't want to leave an unnatural cut inside of a bunch of natural curves. So like this was a saw cut, right? And then you gotta fake it. You gotta fake it. It was just a line. So this one being just a line, and this is gonna go on the inside of the table. You don't want an unnatural cut in with, you don't want straight lines with curves. It just doesn't look right, unless that's the intention, and it's not. So,
Let's see how you do it.
you gotta remake the curve.